Hey everyone, this is doing some guardrail tutorials. Very simply put, guardrails are policies that you would normally set up in your CI/CD pipeline, but in Terracotta AI, we allow you to do very basic setups of these guardrails in plain English so that they are applied directly to your PRs before anything hits the CI/CD for your Terraform and CDK Terraform code. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in. So when you get into the platform, we have guardrails. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new one and then apply it to our repo and run it. So we're going to go new guardrail. This is a, general guardrails. And, as a policies, I say all S3 bucket resources need to have encryption turned on. They must start with the prefix Carlos. All EC2 resource names will start with Carlos, and make sure all databases also start with that prefix as well. So those are our guardrails, very basic. You can get very complex with these, just so you know. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply that to a specific repo. We're going to do the demo TF repo, and that's going to process. Now, while this is processing, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open a new pull request of our EC2. This is a live running environment. We're going to go ahead and run it. And what's going to happen is, and let me make sure our guardrail has processed, it's enabled. Here's the scope, as well as the rules that we actually parse out and do rationale for. Why are we doing this, right? So these are unique to your company, or if you're doing this personally, this is unique to you. These are very specific, and you can actually get understanding and within context of what this PR for your Terraform code is about to do. So I'm going to head back to the repository. I'm going to make sure we have it turned on. Yes, we do. So we're running in the root directory. Here's guard. It's turned on. So these will automatically check on any PR that's coming in for this particular repo. I also enable block merge PR. So this is like if you're familiar with Sneak, it's a GitHub check or a GitLab check. It will stop the PR if it is true. So let's go ahead and run it. So we're going to go create a new pull request. Now what's going to happen is that we see that we automatically detect that, hey, this is a new PR that's coming in for this particular repo. And we're going to go ahead and start reviewing. As you can see here, it is enforced. We're doing a guardrail violation. And we block on severe critical, and we do an annotation failure. An annotation failure is if that GitHub check fails, we don't go past any further. Again, you can make these advisory as well. So while this is running, let me scroll down. And it will pop up in one moment. Make sure that we're not in violation of anything, but we are. So we're going to go ahead and fail that. And what you're seeing here is that they came in as a high severity. That's on my main.tf file. And hey, by the way, my resource names are not following the naming convention. In both, actually, in variables.tf and in main.tf. Well, let's dig a little bit deeper. Let's go ahead and let's select high detail report, right? We're going to let this load up. We have our intermittent description here of what's actually happening. Again, you can dig in deeper by doing that try Terracotta within the PR comments as well, or TC:, the question you have specifically. We take into context the entire GitHub comment. Go. What failed? EC2 name and resource. Why did it fail? Hey, here's the evidence that we provide. This is a runbook style of how to fix it. So now you can go ahead and fix your code all before anything is merged and pushed into your pipeline, saving you tons of time. Thank you, and look out for more tutorials from us. Bye.